Is Newton Wallet available in Canada? Intro. Question hook. Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Ever wondered if you can dive into the world of digital assets from the Great White North? Specifically, have you ever asked yourself, is Newton Wallet available in Canada? Well, that's the question we're diving into today. So, grab your maple syrup and let's get started. Building context. Newton Wallet overview. Before we delve into the Canadian availability, let's quickly recap what Newton Wallet is all about. It's a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform that offers a user-friendly interface and a wide range of digital assets. Think of it as your digital wallet for a variety of cryptocurrencies. Canadian crypto landscape. Canada has seen a growing interest in cryptocurrencies in recent years. From Bitcoin to Ethereum and beyond, Canadians have been exploring the potential of these digital assets. So, it's natural to wonder if popular platforms like Newton Wallet are accessible to them. Addressing the main question. The short answer, yes, Newton Wallet is indeed available in Canada. So, if you're a Canadian looking to buy, sell, or trade cryptocurrencies, Newton Wallet is a viable option for you. Benefits of Newton Wallet for Canadians. User-friendly interface. Newton Wallet's intuitive interface makes it easy for both beginners and experienced traders to navigate the platform. Wide range of cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to more niche coins, Newton Wallet offers a diverse selection of digital assets. Canadian dollar support. One of the biggest advantages for Canadians is that Newton Wallet supports the Canadian dollar. This means you can easily deposit and withdraw funds using your local currency. Regulatory compliance. Newton Wallet operates within the regulatory framework of Canada, ensuring a safe and secure trading environment. Key features and considerations. Security measures. Newton Wallet prioritizes security and employs various measures to protect your funds, including two-factor authentication and cold storage. Fees and charges. It's important to understand the fees associated with using Newton Wallet. These may include trading fees, withdrawal fees, and deposit fees. Customer support. If you encounter any issues or have questions, Newton Wallet offers customer support to assist you. Comparison with other Canadian exchanges. Competitive landscape. There are several other cryptocurrency exchanges operating in Canada. It's worth comparing Newton Wallet to these alternatives based on factors such as fees, supported cryptocurrencies, and user experience. Conclusion. Recap and final thoughts. So, to summarize, Newton Wallet is a great option for Canadians looking to invest in cryptocurrencies. With its user-friendly interface, wide range of supported assets, and Canadian dollar support, it provides a convenient platform for trading digital assets. Call to action. If you're interested in exploring Newton Wallet or other cryptocurrency options, I encourage you to do your own research and choose a platform that best suits your needs. Closing statement. Sharp ending. With that said, thanks for watching. And remember, the world of crypto is constantly evolving. Stay informed, stay curious, and happy trading. Until next time.